Hi everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Edimakor Mac V3.5.0 is here. More powerful, smarter, and more AI features. Let's check out. The first new feature is Voice Changer. Want to sound like a robot, a monster, or a professional news anchor? Done. 50+ voice effects let you turn any voice into weird, funny, or pro.
Welcome to the world. Put away your keys and let me take you around.
Upload your audio or record your own voice.
Women in space exploration break barriers.
Pick a style and click Convert Voice. Now you've got a brand new voice.
Women in space exploration break barriers, pushing the frontiers of science and technology.
Text-to-speech supports 40+ languages and 300+ voices. Whether it's for ads, videos, or courses, you will find the perfect AI voice. Didn't find the one you like? No worries, Voice Clone is here. Upload or record just 10 seconds of your voice. Edimakor clones it perfectly. Use it for voiceovers, narrations, and more.
Women in space exploration great barriers, pushing the frontiers of science and technology.
The third exciting feature. Templates. We just dropped free video templates to make video editing insanely easy. From video templates options, pick the one you like. Upload your prepared clips to replace the templates. Customize, and your video is ready.
Women in space exploration break barriers, pushing the frontiers of science.
Now the big updated AI video generator. From idea to full video, automatically. No need to spend hours preparing or searching for clips. Describe your idea, and Edimakor will generate a script and match perfect clips intelligently. Subtitling just got way smarter. Now support 130+ languages. You can search for any language and get more accurate translations. Wait, need assets fast? We got you. Search keywords and find exactly what you need. No more endless scrolling. Plus, we've added more cool effects. All these new features are available on Mac and Windows. Try them now. Which are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments. Like, subscribe, and let's keep creating. See you.